Are you dealing with the frustrating mobile data is not available during this call issue on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can pop up because of things like network settings, carrier restrictions, or even device configurations. But the good news is, I've got a simple guide with solutions that can help you fix this problem and get your mobile data back on during calls. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Enable voice and data settings. First, let's check your voice over LTE VoLTE settings. This is important if your carrier supports it. Open settings on your iPhone. Next, tap on cellular or mobile data. After that, tap on cellular data options. Then tap on voice and data. Now select 4G or 5G from here. Enable VoLTE. Finally, choose LTE or 5G if those options are available so that your mobile data works while you're on a call. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. Now, let's make sure there are no restrictions interfering with your data. Open settings again. Scroll down a bit and tap on screen time. After that, scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Toggle this feature off to remove any data restrictions while you're on the call. Now, restart your iPhone and check to see if the issue is fixed. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the mobile data is not available during this call issue on your iPhone and enjoy uninterrupted mobile data during your calls. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.